Back to Grad to Corporate. In this video, I will be sharing the latest hiring opportunities from multiple companies, including internship, fresher role, and experienced position. Companies like Capgemini, Equifax, DHL, Halliburton, and many more are currently hiring. Many of these opportunities are open for 2024, 2025, and 2026 batches. So make sure you watch the complete video and apply early so you don't miss these opportunities. The first opportunity is from Capgemini, one of the largest IT consulting companies in the world. Capgemini has announced a data and AI scheduled hiring drive. The event will be conducted on March 7, 2026. Candidate will attend a virtual interview through a scheduled recruitment drive. If you're interested in AI, data engineering, or cloud technologies, this opportunity is worth exploring. Capgemini is mainly hiring the professionals with experience in AI, machine learning, and data engineering. Skills like Python, PySpark, MLOP, Gen AI are highly preferred. Experience with cloud platforms such as AWS or Google Cloud is also valuable. The experience requirement for this role ranges from 5 to 14 years. Candidate working in data platforms and machine learning systems can apply. Apart from AI and data roles, Capgemini is also hiring for SAP and enterprise technologies role. Positions like SAP DataSphere, SAP BW4 HANA, and SAP MDG consultants. There are also openings in the governance and delivery roles like Colibra and Scrum Master. These roles support the large enterprise system and data platforms. Selected candidate may work across the multiple locations in India. The next opportunity is from Equifax, a global data analytics and technology company. They are hiring for the role of software engineer that is entry level. This position is based in Pune, India. Equifax works in the financial institution, businesses, and government organizations. Fresh engineers with the programming knowledge can apply for this role. Equifax is looking for the candidate with Java development experience. Knowledge of Springboard microservices and backend system will be helpful. Candidates should also understand the cloud technologies like AWS, GCP, or Azure. Experience with SQL databases and version control tools like Git is required. If you enjoy building the scalable application, this role is a great fit. Big Think Code is currently hiring for the multiple roles, including the internship and full-time position. Candidates from BE, BTech, MCA, or MSc background are eligible. Students from 2024, 2025, and 2026 can apply. Preference will be given to the candidate currently in Chennai or willing to relocate. Selected student will attend the in-person technical interviews. Big Think Code is hiring for the variety of positions. These include the product manager, data analyst, and software engineer roles. There are also openings in the market and the growth teams. This allows a candidate from technical and business background to apply. If you want to work in a startup environment, this can be a great opportunity. Hoop is a growing platform that focuses on music and digital content technology. They are hiring for candidates with 0 to 3 years of experience. The roles are based in Mumbai. Both full-time jobs and internship are available. Candidate passionate about content, music, and technologies can apply. FAR-I is offering a site reliability engineering internship. This internship lasts for 6 months. Selected candidate will receive a stipend of 15,000 per month. The role helps the candidate learn the DevOps infrastructure and system reliability. It is a great opportunity for the students interested in cloud and backend system. They are bold. Next off is conducting a walk-in hiring drive for BTech graduate. The role offered is Associate Service Desk Representative. The interviews will take on March 5 and 6 in Hyderabad. Candidates should have a strong communication and technical skill. Walk-in drive can provide a quick hiring opportunities. DHL Supply Chain is hiring MBA students graduating in 2026. The roles are in marketing and data analytics. DHL is one of the largest leading logistic and supply chain companies. Selected candidates will join a structured graduate trainee program. This program helps the candidate build a long-term career in the global operation. Cloud Eagle AI is hiring the Java developer interns for the backend engineering role. This is a 6 months internship with an intern to hire opportunity. Candidates should have a strong Java fundamental. The working shift will be 3 p.m. to 12 a.m. IST. High performing interns may receive a full time job offer. Halliburton, one of the largest energy industry service company which is offering an internship in India. The internship is designed for the engineering students currently pursuing their bachelor's or master's degree. Students from petroleum, mechanical and chemical engineering backgrounds are preferred. This program provides a real industry exposure in the energy sector. Interns will work with the experienced professional on the technical project. Before applying, remember to keep your resume updated, apply on time, prepare for aptitude and technical tests, research the company's culture and work and even their projects sometimes and follow all the instruction carefully. Always apply only to the official career portals. I have added the direct official link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Grad to Corporate for daily job updates. All the best for your applications. See you in the next video.